Unveiling the Mystery, the Meaning of Moonlike. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss, and it's the word moonlike. This is a word that you might not come across every day, but when you do, it paints a beautiful picture in your mind. So, let's dive in and explore what moonlike really means. The term moonlike is an adjective, and it's used to describe something that resembles or is reminiscent of the moon. This could refer to its shape, its color, its brightness, or even the feeling it evokes. When something is described as moonlike, it often carries a sense of beauty, serenity, and a subtle glow. Examples: the artist painted a moonlike glow on the lake. Her face had a moonlike radiance under the soft lights. In these examples, moonlike is used to convey a sense of calm beauty and subtle luminosity, much like the moon itself. Moonlike is a descriptive word, and it's perfect for adding a touch of imagery and emotion to your language. It can be used in creative writing, poetry, and when describing scenes or moments that have a dreamy, serene quality. Do's and don'ts. Do use moonlike when you want to highlight the serene beauty of something. Don't overuse it, since it's a specific and vivid descriptor. Saving it for just the right moment will make your language more impactful. If you want to express a similar idea but with a different word, there are several synonyms you can use. Words like luminous, serene, ethereal, and celestial all carry similar connotations and can be used in place of moonlike to add variety to your language. And that brings us to the end of our exploration of the word moonlike. I hope this video has shed some light on this lovely adjective and inspired you to incorporate it into your own language use. Remember, the English language is rich and full of beautiful ways to express yourself, and moonlike is just one of many. Until next time, keep learning and keep shining like the moon.